Listen to your father. Listen to your father, because he gave. Without him, you will not exist. Listen to your father. When I turned 40 years, my father wrote me a letter. My name is Papa Ohozu, but he didn't send me the letter. Said, he didn't do that. He wrote me a letter and posted the letter, even though I was with him in the same. He posted the letter to me. I think it was not 40, it was 30. He posted the letter to me, so I got the letter through the post. I still have the letter now with his handwriting. And when I read the letter, it feels like he's speaking to me from the grave. And then the letter was a very short letter. He said, in all things, don't rush. In all things, don't rush. God is able to bring you to the place that you are aspiring to be. And then beneath number 2 and number 3, he said, be very careful of 3 things. He mentioned pride. He mentioned money, the love of money. And then he mentioned lastly, bless your heart, he mentioned lastly, the abuse of power. The abuse of power. He said the office you hold is an office of trust. And then the last thing he wrote in that letter. So I'm talking about listen to your father. There are things our fathers did. They don't want us to repeat them. So they advise us, listen to your father. The last thing he said, the God you serve is a very sovereign God. Be very careful that you don't take God for granted. Business bia na koko bia wenya wote frisi nyame no awosom no no dangerous. It's a letter my father wrote to me. So listen to your father because he gave birth to you. Most of us are seated here with bitterness in our hearts concerning our biological fathers.